Today I'm back with another wash day routine, and in this video I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. This isn't my typical wash day routine because I'm taking the suggestions that my subscribers, well, I hope they're my subscribers, but I'm taking the suggestions that people have left in the comments of some of my other videos, and I'm going to implement those suggestions into my routine and see if they help me or what changes I might be making for my future wash day routines. So before we get into this video, I want to get into this bralette that I'm wearing. This bralette was sent to me by a company called Pepper. Pepper is a brand that specializes in making bras and basically undergarments for women with smaller chests. So their sizes range from AA to B. I myself am a B cup, and I just love their bras so much. So this is a bralette, but I actually own 4 of their bras, and those 4 bras I purchased with my own money. So what I love about those bras is that the quality is unmatched. Like the bras that I have, 2 of them I purchased probably a year ago, and they still fit the same as when I first purchased them. And also, it's just something like when you have a smaller chest, the fit is never as nice as you would want it to be. So I always had like gapping in the boob area, and I really did not like that. So before finding Pepper, I used to buy my bras from Victoria's Secret, and that's what I experienced all the time, like so much space, and it just was very uncomfortable, not very flattering. So I'm super grateful to have found Pepper. I think you guys should try it out if you have smaller boobs, or if you fit from a AA to a B, then you should definitely try them out. Like, this is so cute, and I love the color so much. It's just like kind of a nude color. They have a lot of different colors on the site, but I just love this one. And yes, I will leave the info in the description box and you can check them out, but I highly recommend you at least click on the link and see what they have to offer, because you never know, you might actually find something that you really enjoy. So I'll leave I'll actually have like a code that you can use that I'll put here, and yeah, I'll leave everything in the description box. But without further ado, because I know that was a bit long, let's get into the video. So again, I want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. We're getting started with the routine. If you're new here, my hair, I have low porosity hair, so it takes a while for it to get completely drenched. And also, as you can see, my hair is so dirty. I hadn't washed my hair in, I guess, 3 weeks, so maybe that's where all the product buildup came from. But I haven't experienced hair this dirty in a while, so I'm also shocked that there was this much. As you can see, the water is very white. I don't know, kind of weird. Do you guys ever experience times where your hair is dirtier than normal for no reason? I had to speed that up because, as I told you, low porosity hair takes a very long time to get completely saturated, so we would have been here forever. But now I'm implementing the first suggestion. So someone suggested that I put my hair into sections when shampooing, so that's what I'm doing now. I normally just split my hair down the middle and do 2 sections, but now I'm trying the whole 4-section thing and seeing if that actually makes a difference. Okay, so now we're at the second suggestion. So someone recommended that I use this shampoo and conditioner set called FAST. So FAST is actually an acronym, and it stands for Fortified Amino Scalp Therapy. This shampoo and conditioner is supposed to support longer, stronger hair, no sulfates and stuff like that. Yeah, so basically the box says whether you have slow growing hair or are looking to outgrow a bad haircut, or you just want to change styles, the Fortified Amino Scalp Therapy, better known as FAST, will give you the look that you want. So this is only the second time I've used this shampoo. It's definitely a clarifying shampoo, not a hydrating shampoo. But as I said, my hair was super dirty, so that actually helps a lot. I actually really liked the shampoo. I felt like my hair, like it did what it was supposed to do. My scalp was very clean after. So I finally reached the fourth and final section of my hair. At this point, I can give you guys my final verdict on how I feel about shampooing in sections. So I felt like it was helpful, but in the same breath, I felt like it was kind of a waste of my time. So I only say that because I find that when my hair gets drenched, it's not as hard to manage. So I find that just having the two big sections works well for me. I think in the future I'll just stick to my two sections and go from there. But thanks for the suggestion. Also wanted to say something because watching the previous clip, it looks like I completely missed the crown of my head, and you can see it here too. um yeah. I don't even know what to say because it looks like that. Maybe I did miss it. I don't think so. I hope not. But at the same time, I do shampoo a second time, so hopefully I just got it in that clip. But yeah, I apologize for that because I'm supposed to be making a tutorial and it looks terrible. Ah! So I kept this short little clip in to show you guys that I did get the crown of my head on the second wash. Yeah, so on the second wash I actually used my original or my normal part down the center and then shampoo each side, and that's like kind of proof that that method works best for me because I didn't miss anything. And right now I'm just doing my edges because I like to make sure that my edges are free of product as well, because sometimes I find that they can be easy to forget. Okay, so I'm done washing and now I'm gonna go in with the conditioner. So yep, it's the same brand but just the conditioner under the brand, I guess. So I'm done applying the conditioner, just showing you guys a little texture shot so you can see the conditioner actually on my hair. The conditioner felt really soft. I like the conditioner as well. Yeah, it was nice. So now we've reached the third suggestion, which was to invest in one of these Tangle Teezer wet slash dry brushes. So someone said that this brush will make detangling my hair so much easier, and I genuinely wanted to believe that. So I found that, so okay, let me restart. So I do like the brush. Like, the bristles of the brush are actually pretty nice. The only thing that I don't like, and this is what I struggle with finding like good detangling brushes, I don't like the handle, or I don't like the grip. It's very hard for me to grip the brush while detangling my wet hair, but I just don't like holding the brush. After doing this for maybe like 2 minutes, my wrist started killing me. So I don't know what it is. I do like the brush, but I don't think I can really use it on wet hair. Maybe I can detangle my dry hair, but who does that? I don't know. Basically, I just didn't really like the brush as much as I hoped that I would have. But yes, thank you for the suggestion. I probably will give it to my sister, because maybe another factor is like the length of my hair, and she has shorter hair, so it might be easier for her to use. So yeah, we'll see, but thank you again for the suggestion. See, I don't even like sectioning my hair, but this brush was giving me such a time, so I decided to try to section it and see if that would help, because it felt like the outside of my hair was getting detangled, or like, I don't know, the outer layer of the clump, I guess, but it's just like so many knots on the inside. And I don't even know if they were knots or just, I don't know. I just felt like my hair wasn't getting detangled, and I was getting frustrated because, well, if you know me or if you watch my videos, probably in every single one, I've complained about disliking detangling my hair. So, yes, again, I'm doing the same thing. I just wanted to add that when I was rinsing out this conditioner, my hair felt like literal butter. Like, it was so soft. So yeah, I would highly recommend looking into this set. I don't really know if it actually helps your hair grow. I mean, we're gonna see if I consistently use it, but yeah, it feels really nice when you rinse it out, the conditioner. Okay, I'm back. My camera cut off abruptly because I had a camera malfunction, aka my memory card was full, same thing. So I had to get out of the shower and then go get my other memory card, and on the way out I was freezing, so I put on a shirt. But I say all this to say, I still want you guys to go check out Pepper and see and check out the bras and see if you like them. I mean, I kind of know you will, but I just want to reiterate that. So I just really want to say thank you to them for sending me that, and yeah, just check them out. But the last step I want to do, so someone suggested that I put my leave-in conditioner on while I'm in the shower, or basically while my hair is still drenched, because I have low porosity hair, and that will help the uptake of the conditioner or the moisture, something like that. So half of that I can't fulfill because I'm not in the shower anymore, but I did put a shower cap on to try to keep my hair as wet as possible. So we're gonna do that step now. I think it's still wet enough. I hope so. Sis, who left that comment. If you're watching this, is this okay? Or should I just, okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to spray it, right, I guess. Is that okay? Please let me know. I hope you subscribe to my channel so that you can know that I'm shouting you out, basically. I didn't write down your name or anything, but I definitely saw your comment and I appreciate it. That's not me being sarcastic. I really did appreciate it. But yeah, so it's kind of wet now. Let me see. The conditioner leave-in I'm gonna use is TGIN Rose Water Soothing Leave-In Conditioner. If you know me, you know I love TGIN, my favorite natural hair care brand. So yes, we're gonna put the leave-in conditioner in. I really don't think this is what she wanted me to do, but we're just gonna put that in now. Okay. Put that in. Put that in. She's banking on me on nothing. It's not giving what I assumed it to give. But that's also probably because I'm not doing what she said to do. Maybe I'll put more water. All right, Jet, relax, please. Oh yeah, if you guys have, so yeah, I'm following your suggestions, but if you have any more, please let me know down below. If you have any video ideas, you can let me know that too. I don't know what you guys want to see, so if you can tell me that would be so helpful, because then we're all benefiting here. Like, I'm making videos that you want to see. I'm making content that I know will be viewed because people actually want to watch it. It's just like a very cyclical, is that even, I don't know if that's the right description, but a very cyclical relationship. Probably not correct, but see, remember I told you guys I had heat damage? It looks a little better now, I guess. Well, it looks way better than when it first happened, but whatever, it's gonna put it into class. So give me 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back. My hair is braided up. We've made it to the end of this video. Like I said before, 1, continue to give me these suggestions because some of them were super helpful and I really appreciate that. And then 2, don't forget to check out Pepper. And then 3, I really appreciate you for clicking on this video, for making it this far, and for subscribing, because that's what you're going to do, right? I mean, you might as well. But yeah, so this is the final product of my wash day. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.